Okay, so we're now going to look at evaluating functions. We're going to talk a little bit about this in class as well, but if we have this notation here, we've got our function, and what they're really doing is asking us to plug in wherever we see x, we're going to plug in that value. So in this case, x is equal to 4. So in the 4x plus 2, what we're going to plug in for x is 4. So we're going to take this guy and plug it in. So f of 4 means instead of having x, we have 4, is going to be 4 times 4 plus 2. And we're doing the same thing as evaluating our expressions. We're taking a value and plugging it in. And then f of 4 will be 18. So we're still kind of doing just plugging in our value. So we're going to plug in that number for our variable x. Same thing for the next example. We have g of x, and they tell us x is now 2 with this notation here. So instead of having x, we're going to plug in 2. So it's not x squared anymore, it's 2 squared, minus not 7x, but 7 times 2 plus 6. And so we're going to get 2 squared, 4, minus 14. We're kind of doing all the steps together now. And since we have addition and subtraction, we're moving from left to right. So 4 minus 14, that's a negative number, so negative 10 plus 6, and negative 10 plus 6, also negative, we get negative 4. So our functions here, we're actually doing the same thing. We're taking our value that they give us for our variable, so in this case it was 4, in this case it was 2, and plugging it in wherever we see x.